All right, today we are pulling back the curtain on something that runs a huge part of the internet but is almost totally invisible: programmatic advertising. This is the super fast, automated engine that decides pretty much every ad you see online.
You know the feeling, right? You look at a pair of sneakers on one website, and then for the next 3 days, those exact sneakers are haunting you on every other site you visit. Well, that's not a coincidence, and it's not magic. That's programmatic advertising in action, and we're going to break down exactly how it all works. So get this. The moment you click on a link to a web page, before the page even has a chance to load on your screen, a lightning-fast auction takes place. We're talking milliseconds. In that tiny sliver of time, thousands of brands are bidding against each other for the chance to show you their ad. It's wild.
So what is it really? At its heart, programmatic advertising is just about using technology to automate the whole ad buying game. Instead of people in suits making phone calls and negotiating deals, you have powerful algorithms doing all the work. It makes the entire process incredibly fast and efficient. And the engine that powers this whole thing is called real-time bidding, or RTB. You can think of RTB as the literal heartbeat of modern digital advertising. It's what makes those super-fast, intelligent auctions possible, selling off ad space one single impression at a time. Now, just like any market, you've got two main sides here. You have the buyers. Those are the advertisers who want to get their ads in front of you. And then you have the sellers, the publishers and website owners who have the ad space to sell.
And to make this marketplace work, each side has its own specialized technology. The buyers, or advertisers, use something called a demand-side platform, a DSP. Its goal is to buy ad space as cheaply and effectively as possible. The sellers, or publishers, use a supply-side platform, an SSP, to manage their inventory and sell it for the highest price they can get.
Honestly, the best way to wrap your head around this is the stock market analogy. A DSP is like a stockbroker trying to buy the best stocks for its client, the advertiser. And the SSP is like the stock exchange itself, where all the available stocks, or in this case, ad spaces, are listed for sale. These two platforms connect to create that efficient market.
But here's where it gets a little more interesting. It's not always a chaotic, open market auction. The system has more layers, including another really powerful way for advertisers and publishers to cut deals.
So you basically have two main models. You've got the real-time bidding auction we've been talking about, which is a free-for-all, but then you also have something called programmatic direct. And the key difference is right there in the name. RTB is an auction, programmatic direct is not. It's a pre-arranged deal.
So why would a big brand choose programmatic direct? Well, it's all about control and certainty. Imagine a huge company wants to guarantee their ad will be on the homepage of a major news outlet for a week. Programmatic Direct lets them lock in that premium spot at a fixed price, so they get the efficiency of automation but with the security of an old-school direct sale.
So, what's making all this possible? I mean, how can these platforms make billions of split-second decisions? Well, the answer, not surprisingly, is artificial intelligence.
AI and machine learning are truly the brains of this entire operation. They analyze just insane amounts of data in real time. For instance, an AI might see that you've been looking at hiking gear, calculate that you're about 75% more likely to click on a boot ad than the average person, and then place the perfect bid down to a fraction of a penny to win that ad spot.
And if you want to see just how powerful this tech is, look no further than fraud detection. Your old traditional models might catch, 21% of ad fraud? But the new machine learning models, they can detect over 94% of it. That is a massive, massive leap, and it saves advertisers billions of dollars from being wasted.
And you should know, this tech isn't staying put on websites. The core ideas behind programmatic advertising are spreading out and are starting to completely reshape other parts of the ad world.
First, take a look at retail media networks. This is basically the ads you see when you're shopping on Amazon or Walmart or Instacart. These retailers are using their own customer data to build enormous ad businesses, projected to be worth $106 billion by 2027.
And yep, it's also coming to your living room. Connected TV, we're talking about streaming services like Hulu, Roku, or YouTube TV, is bringing that same data-driven targeting to the biggest screen in your house. That market is on track to blow past $25 billion pretty soon.
But, and this is a really big but, all of this incredible targeting, all this technology, it comes with a price. And that leads us to the single biggest debate facing the entire industry right now: privacy.
Because this whole system is fueled by data, our browsing history, our location, our online habits.
It's all collected to build these incredibly detailed profiles of who we are. And for a lot of people, there's a growing feeling of unease about the lack of transparency and control over how all this personal info is being used.
And this quote from researcher Basant Ayada just nails the central conflict. The industry has to find a delicate balance between innovation and regulation. It's an unbelievably powerful tool for businesses, for sure, but we have to be incredibly thoughtful about the ethical lines we draw.
And that really brings us to the final, fundamental question here. It's the question at the very heart of this whole ecosystem, and it's something for all of us to think about. Is the convenience of seeing ads that are perfectly tailored to you worth the price of your personal data?